Hey guys, it's Kashnar Pranesh back with amazing videos. Okay, so this time we are going to do the second part of MIT App Inventor. Okay, so today we are going to make a metric converter. A metric converter me like changing centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter, and all those things. Okay, so now first let's go into MIT App Inventor. Okay, so I logged in and then I also did one thing here. Okay, so I made a designer over here. So what I did is that I put one label, I put another label, that is instructions which I say, and one text box where they enter the input, two buttons, and one text box which they use as the output, and one button for clear. Okay, so now the blocks part, this is a wrong one. Okay, so I just did for that for fun. Okay, so you might have understood the feature of each one by now, right? Okay, let this be here. Say the empty screen. Okay, I think you understand the feature by now, right? So I also rename this so that it can be easy for us to program it. Okay, so now let's come to blocks. First, we have to put the function of the first button, that is cm to m. Now, how much centimeters make 1 meter? 100 centimeters make 1 meter, right? So we have to divide it by 100 so we can get 1 meter. Like I say I have 55 centimeters. The meter is 0.55 meter, got it? So we have to divide it by 100. So when cm to m clicked, we also have an input text, right? So you have to press this set input text, this not set input text, you should have set output text 2. Now you have to use a math block here. Okay, first you have to choose this divided by, and then the second math block is this. So of course we have to divide it by 100, right? So we have to take a number block and a division block. Okay, let's insert it here, and then let's go take the text from here. Oh guys, I forgot something. Okay, by the way, there's an option which you can choose only numbers. Okay, so I am putting that number option now. Okay, set up output text to input text divided by 100. Okay, sounds good to me. Now let's duplicate this whole thing. Okay, now let's just change the buttons. So set output text. Okay, now this doesn't look good, so I'm gonna delete this, delete three blocks. So come over here and choose multiplication symbol. Where is that? Yeah, and a number block. Instead, you can also duplicate. Okay, press right click in Mac, and I have no clue about Windows. And yeah. So now centimeter to meter ready, and meter to centimeter ready. Now let's do for the clear button. When clear click, we have to do two things over here. Okay, now we have to set both the text boxes empty, right? So we have to do set input text. Okay, and then you can also duplicate that and just change the text box name like this, text box name like this, you can see, right? Now we have to put a block. What is that block? Well, that block is an empty text. See, like here. So just duplicate. Yeah, so our converter is ready. Okay, so you can now I'm saying this again, how to connect this in your phone. Well, this only works in Android phone. Okay, you have to come to connect, press AI companion. You should have this MIT app companion on your Android device, and then they'll give you one code, or they'll give a code and a QR code. You can choose your option, and then the same screen will come on your phone. Okay, and also one more thing guys, you can decide, you can design your own designer and everything. I'm not for you do not need to do the same design, you can do your own design. Okay, so yeah, that brings an end to the second MIT App Inventor tutorial. And remember, if you type this code MIT App 999, you will be getting a shout out from me. Okay, so you can do that, and then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.